Okay, this video goes out to my older students. So this is something that I've taught many years and it's always a little bit confusing. So this is solving an equation by using substitution. So what this is actually telling me is this part of the problem is going to be substituted in for the y. So I rewrite my problem, 2x minus 3y. So I'm going to put a parenthesis here and I'm going to plug this in. X minus 1 equals negative 1. So now I have a normal equation that only has one letter. So I need to use my distributive property here. 2x minus 3x. So I have a negative 3 times a negative 1. That equals a positive 3. So now I have another problem. I have 2x minus 3x, so that's negative 1x, plus 3 equals negative 1. I did this by combining like terms. 2x minus 3x. So now I have to get rid of this number right here so that I have this x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So now I have negative 1x equals negative 4. Now, if I divide this side by negative 1 to get this all by itself, I'm going to divide this side by negative 1 also. So I have x equals negative 4 divided by negative 1, and that's x equals 4. Two negatives divided equals a positive. So now I know my x. So my x is 4, and I'm going to come back up here to this problem, and I'm going to plug in my 4 for my x. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3y equals negative 1. So now I want to get rid of this 8 from this side, so I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. So you'll have to bear with me. I'm going to rewrite my problem over here. Negative 3y equals, and I have negative 1 and negative 8, which equals negative 9. I'm going to divide this side by negative 3 to get the y by itself. So divide this side by negative 3, and I get y equals 3. Because negative divided by negative equals a positive. So now I have two answers. I have my y, I have my x.